Yo, what's up guys? Great Tech Review here. And today we have a huge unboxing. We're unboxing a desktop from Asus. It's the M32 series. And it packs a whole lot of stuff. So let's get into this. So first going off the specs, we have a 8 GB of RAM. Let me stop doing the knife before I pick myself. Okay, so 8 GB of RAM, 1 TB of memory storage, and Intel i5, which is like the main processor for this computer. And those are just the main specs. I'm not gonna go through all of them. It's a lot. So let's get cracking. Right here we have this box, and let's see. Right here we have the mouse from Asus. Hear this. It looks nice. I mean, this is a stock mouse that comes with, I'm pretty sure all desktops, unless you get like a custom one. But I mean, it looks pretty cool. It's basic, it's not that good, but at least it's free, you know. And right here, it also came the power supply cable. Oh wow, look at this. There's no brick. That is dope. That computer needs to come with bricks. And right here is just the guide that we don't really read. So yeah, putting everything back except for the nuts and the power cable. Let's go on now with the computer. Here we go. Okay. My bad. So right here, we also have the keyboard. Oh wow. I'm actually surprised. This keyboard looks pretty nice actually. I'm gonna try to zoom out and focus. Right there. Looks pretty nice. And I mean, again, it's just stock. It also comes with the things at the back. So stock is pretty nice. I actually like it. The keys are pretty light. Like they're not hard to press at all, and you could barely hear it. Watch. Now, but this is pretty nice. I'm pretty sure those are good for silent gaming. They are not that expensive at all. And right now, we're going to the main thing, the desktop. Let's go. Beautiful, man. That's the front. Looks nice. Looks dope. Go right here. Okay. Get this tab. Boom. Anything else? Yep. and here. So, no, this is a fingerprint magnet. Yep, fingerprint magnet, but whatever. Look at the back right here. It has everything I pretty much need. It has 1, 2, 3, nope, yep, 4, okay, 4 USBs in the back and 2 on the front, which is pretty good. And it also comes with a SD card, which I really need for, especially for video editing. It's right here. I'm not sure if you guys see it, but right here is the SD slot for your mic, microphone. Yep. Okay, so this is headphones, microphone, USB, power button, and right here. Alright, okay, so that's where the CD goes. I'm not sure about whatever, there's nothing. And so far, this is the design. I think it looks pretty cool. HDMI right here. And Intel Core i5 inside. So if you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up. And this just came with the keyboard. Let me fix this right here. This came with keyboard, mouse, and it's power cable. It's pretty simple and easy to set up. If you guys want to see my setup in the future videos, then let me know in the comments below, and make sure to leave a like if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Peace out.